Hello everyone, I am Vipin Sharma, an expert in aviation and tourism industry for last 35 years. What we have seen in last 2 years in this industry is a major setback, but this is not new for this industry. We have seen many ups and downs like Ebola, like SARS, 9/11. There are so many ups and downs in this industry in the past also. Of course, this one is a very major one and the industry has suffered in last 2 years. But if you look at what is happening around us now is the industry is bouncing back. The international borders are opening. America has now already opened the borders. Most of the countries have already opened their borders. India has opened its borders. The international airlines are now looking at expanding their network to more and more countries. And in India, the domestic airlines are already now flying on 100% capacity. So if there is any industry which is bouncing back more strongly, it is the aviation, tourism and hospitality industry. And the way it is expanding means there is much more growth and expansion coming, which means more and more manpower is required. So if you are looking at starting your career at this point and you're looking at the options, there could be nothing better than preparing yourself for this industry, because this industry is going to expand like anything in next few years. We have so many new airports coming up. We have so many new aircrafts which are coming into India, which are ordered by most of the airlines. And all this will create so many job opportunities for all the people who want to start a career in this industry. My question to you is, are you ready to grab these opportunities? Think about it and start preparing today. All the best, and I'll be back with more news. Thank you.